Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, December 27, 2022. Today's video is about a full circle rainbow over Norway. Have you ever seen an entire rainbow? From the ground, typically, only the top portion of a rainbow is visible because directions toward the ground have fewer raindrops. From the air, though, the entire 360-degree circle of a rainbow is more commonly visible. Pictured here, a full-circle rainbow was captured over the Lofoten Islands of Norway in September by a drone passing through a rain shower. An observer-dependent phenomenon primarily caused by the internal reflection of sunlight by raindrops, the rainbow has a full diameter of 84 degrees. The sun is in the exact opposite direction from the rainbow's center. As a bonus, a second rainbow that was more faint and color reversed was visible outside the first. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.